While going to the gym may not be an option for some, you can still reach fitness objectives from the comfort of your own home by doing the bodyweight exercises mentioned in this video. Even if you haven't done any workouts before, the ones suggested in this video will be simple for you. Hey, everyone! Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll talk about 5 exercises any beginner can do. So without further ado, let's get into it. Exercise number 1. Modified jumping jacks. Exercises for beginners are straightforward and modified jumping jacks are one of them. Modified jumping jacks are an excellent technique to warm up before a strength training workout or to intersperse short bouts of cardio between exercises to keep your heart rate elevated. The updated form ensures that one foot is always in contact with the ground, reducing the impact of the exercise and making it more accessible to a wider range of people. Place your feet together and your arms at your sides. Swing your arms over your head while stepping your right foot out to the side. Swing your arms down to your sides as you bring your right foot back to the middle. Swing your arms up over your head again, this time stepping out to the side with your left foot. Swing your arms down to your sides once more, as you return your left foot to the center. Carry on with the modified jumping jacks. Aim for 30 to 60 seconds of exercise before resting for 15 to 30 seconds and restarting the workout. Exercise number 2. Chair squat. A chair squat is one of the best squat exercises since it engages all of your lower body's major muscular groups, including your glutes, quads, hamstrings, and even your calves. When done correctly, it also trains your core because you have to engage your abdominal and back to keep your torso upright while you squat down. A chair squat is also a great approach to acquire appropriate squat forms since it pushes you to bend at the hips rather than the knees. Place your back to a sturdy chair, your feet somewhat wider than hip distance apart, and your toes angled slightly outward. Extend your arms in front of your chest, parallel to the ground the entire time as a reminder to maintain your chest high. Engage your core and push your hips back, bringing your glutes closer to the seat. Bend your knees as you go to help you lower yourself to the chair in a controlled manner. Maintain a straight line between your knees and your toes. You want to keep your upper body erect and tall, so avoid tipping your torso forward from the tips. When your glutes make contact with the chair, you can either sit entirely before reversing the movement and returning to standing, or you can only tap your glutes to the seat before standing. Aim for at least 2 sets of 8 to 12 repetitions. Exercise number 3. Wall push-up. That's right, a push-up variation is one of the best exercises for beginners. A wall push-up is a wonderful exercise for your chest, triceps, shoulders, and core, just like a typical push-up, but it's more accessible to people of all abilities. If a wall push-up is too simple for you, but you are still not ready for a push-up from the floor, you can always put your hands on a sturdy counter or the back of a couch, executing the exercise at an angle for a somewhat more challenging challenge. Face a wall with your feet hip distance apart. Place your palms on the wall about shoulder width apart and little lower than your shoulders. Lean into your palms and begin bending your elbows, bringing your chest closer to the wall. Your elbows should be bent at 45-degree angles from your torso, neither embracing or splaying outward from your shoulders. Reverse the movement and extend your elbows, pressing your body back to the beginning position when your chest and shoulders are close to the wall. Also, make sure to perform at least 2 sets of 8 to 12 repetitions. Exercise number 4. Bent over water bottle row. People who strength train at home may ignore working out their backs if they lack special equipment, but a bent over row is an excellent technique to target all of the major muscle groups in your middle to upper back. Hold a water bottle in each hand, your feet shoulder width apart, and your knees slightly bent. Check your posture and engage your core. Your ears should be aligned over your shoulders, hips, knees, and heels. While keeping your upper body fully straight, without slouching forward or allowing your shoulders or back to stoop, tip forward from the hips while pressing your glutes back to bend your torso toward the floor. Stop when you believe you won't be able to keep excellent posture any further ahead. Allow your arms to dangle down from your shoulders while remaining engaged. Squeeze your shoulder blades together and row the water bottles to your chest, clutching your sides with your upper arms until your elbows are slightly higher than your back. Hold for a beat, then reverse the action, lowering the bottles back to the starting position with control. Also, make sure to complete 2 sets of 8 to 12 repetitions at a time. Exercise number 5. Assisted lunge. Lunges are another great lower body action that works every major muscle group, but they need coordination and balance that isn't always easy to achieve for beginners. Performing an aided lunge is one method to begin testing the waters of this compound exercise before progressing to more difficult forms. Stand with your feet about hip-width apart, facing a sturdy counter or the back of your couch. For balance, place your hands lightly on the surface. Engage your core. Slightly tuck your hips down. Keep your torso upright and tall. Take a stride back with your right leg, and place the ball of your right foot on the ground. Begin by bending your right knee and lowering it toward the floor, and as you do so, let your left knee to bend, while remaining aligned with and behind your left toes, to accommodate the movement. The goal is to get your right knee to stop just before it touches the floor, but for now, stop if you feel you can't maintain perfect form. Return to standing by pressing through both feet and extending both knees. Complete 3 sets of 8 to 12 repetitions per side. What's your favorite exercise, and what makes you think it's the best? Please share your thoughts in the comments area below. This will assist others in developing a training plan. So there you have it. If you enjoyed today's content, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new videos. Until next time.